Thibodaux Chief of Police Scott Severi announced the arrest of Charles Mitchell, a 20-year-old man from Marrero, on warrants issued out of Terrebonne for 2 counts of attempted first-degree murder, simple criminal damage to property, 4 counts of aggravated criminal damage to property, and a host of other charges. Tuesday afternoon around 5:30 p.m., a Thibodaux police officer on his way to work saw a stranded motorist partially blocking the roadway in Percy Brown in Thibodaux. Mitchell, the stranded motorist, lied about who he was. Without a photo ID, the officer was unable to prove if Mitchell was lying or not. So Mitchell thought. The officer recognized Mitchell as the victim in a shooting that happened earlier in October. When Mitchell went to get his vehicle's paperwork, the officer noticed a handgun in the glove compartment. Mitchell tried concealing it, so the officer pulled Mitchell out of the vehicle and placed him in handcuffs. After questioning, Mitchell finally admitted who he was, leading to the discovery of his warrants. Mitchell was transported to Lafourche Parish Detention Center, where he's being held in lieu of bonds in excess of $300,000. As always, thank you for partnering with the Thibodaux Police Department.